In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload receipts in QuickBooks Online using the current desktop interface. Before we start, make sure your receipt is saved on your computer in a clear, readable format, like a PDF or a high-quality image file. Open QuickBooks Online and sign in so you land on the home dashboard. From here, look for the All Apps option. This takes you to where QuickBooks groups tools by workflow. Under Expenses and Bills, choose Expense Transactions. This is where you'll create the expense and attach the receipt so everything stays organized and easy to find later. Next, select New Transaction. A small menu will appear. Choose Expense. This opens the expense form, which is the heart of this process. Take a moment to fill in the key details carefully. Start with the payee, which is the vendor or person you paid. Then choose the payment account, such as your business checking or a credit card, so QuickBooks knows where the money came from. Set the date to match the receipt. Enter the amount exactly as shown on the document. Finally, choose the category that best describes the purchase, like office supplies, travel, or meals, so your reports stay accurate. Once the basics are in, add the receipt itself. Click Add Attachment in the expense form. A file picker will open. Navigate to the receipt on your computer and select it. After you upload, confirm the receipt is attached to the expense. You should see the file name or a small thumbnail preview indicating it's linked. If it isn't there, try attaching again and make sure the file is not corrupted and is one of the supported formats. Before saving, double-check everything: the payee spelling, the payment account, the date, the amount, and the category. Consistency here helps prevent reconciliation issues later. If your receipt has multiple pages, consider combining them into one file so it's easier to review. It's also a good idea to name your file something meaningful, like the vendor and date, to keep your documents tidy. When you're confident everything looks right, click Save and Close. Your expense is now recorded, and the receipt is securely attached for reference, audit, or reimbursement purposes. You can always return to expense transactions to review or edit the entry if needed. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.